Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. A friend has asked me to do some pictures of their handmade boots. So I've just put a quick colour armour up here, a couple of lights. It's white painted room, it's a white painted ceiling. This is going to be dead easy. They want it on a white background. And so here's the shoes. Look, Sowerby handmade shoes. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. That is quality. I love them. Wow. I'll take some pictures of this. Look at those blue pull tabs there. Sowerby of England. These are handmade boots. A little bit pricey, but you get what you pay for. Let's see. The second box. Oh, that's my photo brief. Look, take a photo. He's leaving it to me. Oh, look at those brogues. Look at the quality of that work on that. All hand cut, hand stitched. Wow. I'm loving them. Good for the winter. Look, nice winter brogues. And finally, what have we got in here? Can it be as good as the other two? Let's have a look. What is it? Don't know. Oh my goodness. I just adore those. I gotta have some of these. Look at those. They wouldn't be out of place on the household cavalry, would they? Look at that beautiful leather. Look at the sheen. Look at the smoothness. That's polished so nicely. So well made. So, oh my goodness. Wow. I love, again, that shocking sort of bluey, purpley kind of, blue, isn't it? But, leather soles. Look how classic they look. Anyway, enough about boots and shoes. I digress. We've got to take some pictures. So this is the setup. Very easy. He wants them on a white background to put them on a website to match him with other stuff. Very flat lighting. Here we go. Pictures of the shoes in set positions. It's pretty easy. Can you see the shadows falling underneath, which gives us a nice little sort of, they don't look like cutouts, is what I'm saying. This is what he wants, different positions. They're nice, aren't they? But it, and they're serving a purpose. They're doing a job. Even the close-ups, very good, but for me, just a little bit sterile. I can see why you would want this because they're going on. It's very easy to replicate. You can do all your shoes on a white background and know that all the pictures match. And people often do portraits this way because they have the same colour background, and when new members of staff come and go, they can replicate them. But for me, it doesn't make me want to wear them. To wear them, I need some sort of empathy. I want a feeling of what they're going to feel like. So, do you know what I've done? A bit of a curveball. Look, I am at home doing these as a favour, so I've just come outside and look what I've set up there. It's raining. I've got some slate on the floor. I've got two simple LED lights. One at the front, lighting. One at the back, providing some sort of highlights on the rain. So let's go in close. I'm going to have to get the camera over the top. As you can see, it's pouring down with rain, but I get some raindrops sitting on the leather from these two LEDs. Get down nice and low here. Have a look. You can see the rain falling, but I want to get them down because I want the reflections. That's more like I want to see them in the rain against the stone. Now we're getting somewhere. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. Now let's start some real photography. Oh, now that is what I'm talking about. That makes me want to buy them. That makes me want to put them on and think, yeah, rain, come on, bring it on. We brought a little bit of nature in there. Look, I remember bringing that ivy, and I quite like that. It makes me think, yeah, my feet are fine in these. Bring on the rain, bring on the snow. It doesn't matter. Anywhere I go, these handmade shoes are going to turn heads. And they are, aren't they? Look at it. And that's what your photography is all about. Using whatever you're photographing in situ. Whether it's buildings, whether it's portraits, or even product shots. Show them in their environment, and they will almost always be a better picture.